Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. And today we'll be discussing most important MCQs from summits and conferences current affairs from past 60 days, okay? So this will be the last category we'll be covering for these months. And after that, we'll move ahead, okay? So now without wasting any further time, let's get started. Question number 1. In association with which organization, Government e-Marketplace has organized the 5th edition of the National Public Procurement Conclave? So the 5th edition of this NPPC was organized by Government e-Marketplace in association with the Confederation of Indian Industry on the theme Technology-enabled government procurement towards efficiency, transparency and inclusiveness. And the conclave was inaugurated virtually by Minister of State for Commerce and Industry, Shrimati Anupriya Patel. Okay. Question number 2. Prime Minister Modi has addressed the industry in an annual meet. Which organization is the host of this meet? So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has addressed the industry on 11th of August 2021 on the topic of government and business working together for a self-reliant. So he spoke on the theme India at 75, government and business working together for Atmanirbhar Bharat. So the host of this meet was Confederation of Indian Industry, and the theme of the Prime Minister's address is the guiding principle for India to overcome the devastating impact of second wave of coronavirus pandemic. Also, Union Government in its financial year 2022 Union Budget articulated a policy to calibrate its import policies and tariffs in order to encourage more value addition to local economy and to discourage import of finished products. And apart from that, global manufacturers are being encouraged to set up factories in India by means of production incentives, and as per government expectations, a strong push to manufacturing and infrastructure creation will help in stimulating the economy as capital spending will have a multiplier effect. Okay. Question number 3. In which state or union territory Investor Summit 2021 is being organized? So this summit was organized by the Gujarat government in collaboration with Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. So this summit will focus on the synergies presented by the ship-breaking industry at Alang for the development of an integrated scrapping hub. And the summit will see participation from various potential investors, industry experts and the concerned central and state government ministries. Okay. Question number 4. Which country has assumed the presidency of G20 for the year 2021? So this year Italy has assumed the presidency of G20, which is an intergovernmental forum. And why it was in news? Because recently the G20 Ministerial Conference on Women's Empowerment was organized for the very first time at Italy. And India was represented by our Union Minister of Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani. So in this particular event, the minister spoke about India's commitment towards addressing gender-related issues. Fine. Similarly, do remember that this year BRICS presidency is with India. So whatever events or conferences would be held under BRICS, it would be presided by India itself. Fine. Question number 5. The New Delhi statement is associated with which intergovernmental association? So the environment ministers of BRICS nations have jointly adopted the New Delhi statement at the recently held virtual BRICS Environment Ministerial Meeting. And the statement aims to strengthen the cooperation among the BRICS nations on environment-related issues. And the meeting was obviously chaired by our Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, who is Bhupendra Yadav. So during this particular meet, India stressed the need for taking concrete actions against environment and climate challenges. Question number 6. Which country has hosted the Middle East Regional Conference recently? So this has been hosted by Iraq. and this conference aims to ease the tension in the region. So basically Iraq, Saudi Arabia have been invited in the meeting, which is co-organized by France. And during the meeting, regional water crisis, war in Yemen, and economic conditions of Lebanon were discussed. And this meeting has assumed significance since Iraq has been playing a natural mediating role in the region. Okay. Question number 7. Which country hosted the 8th BIMSTEC Agriculture Experts Meeting? So India has recently hosted this particular 8th BIMSTEC Agriculture Experts Meeting in a virtual mode. And the meeting was chaired by our Director General of Indian Council of Agriculture Research, who is Dr. Trilochan Mohapatra. And talking about BIMSTEC, first of all, it stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, and it is an international organization of 7 South Asian and South East Asian nations, which is headquartered at Kathmandu. Question number 8. Which country is organizing the first ever BRICS Film Technologies Symposium in 2021? So India's Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of External Affairs has organized this particular symposium on 1st to 2nd September. And this symposium has been conducted in collaboration with FICCI in virtual format. So India has organized the first ever BRICS Film Technology Symposium as a part of the special event planned before BRICS Summit to be held in India. And the focus of this particular event is to acknowledge the service sector and technicians who are working for the film industry. Okay, so your correct answer is option number C. Question number 9. Where was the National Conference on Women and Child Development held recently? So this conference was held at Kevadia, Gujarat, and it was chaired by our Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani. So this meeting was attended by the Minister of State for Women and Child Development, Ministers of Principal Secretaries from various states related to women and child development, and the conference served as a platform to discuss implementation of various schemes like Mission Poshan 2, Mission Vatsalya and Mission Shakti. Fine. Question number 10. Which country holds the presidency of the Council of the European Union? Slovenia currently holds the presidency of Council of European Union, and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Slovenian President Borut Pahor discussed the challenges facing India and the European Union. And the minister is set to visit Slovenia, Croatia and Denmark to boost bilateral ties and strengthen India's cooperation with the European Union. Okay. Question number 11. Eastern Economic Forum is an annual meet held in which country? So this is an annual meet which is held in Vladivostok, Russia. And it aims to encourage foreign investment in Russia's resource-rich but underdeveloped Far East regions. Okay. Also do remember that India and Russia are the partners in space exploration through the Gaganyaan program as well. Fine. Question number 12. A new climate finance leadership initiative, India Partnership, has been signed with which country? At the 11th India-UK Economic and Financial Dialogue, the Indian Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and UK Chancellor Rishi Sunak met virtually, and they signed a $1.2 billion USD package of public and private investment in green projects and renewable energy. And a new partnership has been agreed to mobilize private capital into sustainable infrastructure in India. Okay, so your correct answer is option number C. Question number 13. Which country chaired the 11th BRICS Trade Ministers meeting that was held in 2021? Very easy question. Already I have told you that the host of BRICS for this year is India. So on 3rd of September, the 11th BRICS Trade Ministers meeting was held in a virtual mode under the chairmanship of India. So the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Shri Piyush Goyal, chaired the meeting and was attended by trade and economic ministers of BRIC countries. Okay. Also to remember that India is chairing the BRICS 2021 under the theme BRICS at the rate 15, Intra-BRICS Cooperation for Continuity, Consolidation and Consensus. Question number 14. Which city is the venue of the 5th World Conference of Speakers of Parliament? So host for this event was Vienna, and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla reached Vienna to attend the 5th World Conference of Speakers of Parliament by the Austrian Parliament to attend this particular event. And the World Conference of Speakers of Parliament is held regularly every 5 years with the goal to reinforce the parliamentary dimension of global governance. Okay. Question number 15. Which city is the venue of IUCN World Conservation Congress? So nearly 28% of 138,374 species assessed by IUCN, that is International Union for the Conservation of Nature, for its survival watch list are now at high risk of vanishing forever. So the IUCN World Conservation Congress 2020 has been held in France, and habitat loss, over-exploitation and illegal trade have hammered the global wildlife population for decades, and climate change is now kicking in as a direct threat reported by the IUCN. So this event was originally scheduled in June 2020, but later on it was rescheduled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Question number 16. Who has chaired the 13th BRICS Summit? So without any doubt, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi was the host for this event because BRICS presidency is with India. Question number 17. Recently, with which country India has held a maritime affairs dialogue? So India and Japan held their 6th Maritime Affairs Dialogue in a virtual format on 9th of September recently, and the consultations involved exchanges on the developments in the maritime security environment, regional cooperation activities, and opportunities for cooperation between the two countries in the Indo-Pacific region. Fine. Question number 18. The National Conference on Agriculture for Rabi campaign 2021 to 2022 was held in which place? So our Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated this particular event, and the objective of this conference was to review and assess the crop performance during the preceding crop season, and it also aims to fix crop-wise targets for Rabi season in consultation with state governments and facilitate adoption of innovative technologies to enhance production and productivity of the crops. So here correct answer is virtual mode only. Fine. Question number 19. Which ministry in association with UGC has organized a webinar on ensuring inclusive governance, making every person matter? So the Union Ministry of Education along with UGC has organized this particular webinar, and this has been a part of the ministry's vision of quality education to all. Do remember that our Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Shri Arjun Munda was the chief guest for the function. So this webinar created an opportunity to bring academicians, educationists and administrators on a single platform and was supported by the Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Lucknow. Now coming to last question. India held its first joint working group meeting on coal and mines with which country? So India and Australia held the first ever joint working group meeting on coal and mines through video conferencing, and it is held ahead to the India-Australia Energy Dialogue, which is scheduled to be held this month. So the discussions focused on Indian coal resources, strategic mineral demand and supply scenario, and engagement with Australia. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you have liked the session. These were the important news and events from summits and conferences. and now we will start doing these lectures for this particular month. Okay, so till then stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to GK Today. With this, me Nuzhat Sana signing off.